So it's off season. We're going to try something new this year. As you can see, we have a new project in the, I guess we'll call it the duck blind. And I don't know anything about two-cycle carts or whatever. This is a lay-down road racing cart, and Jason's going to drive it next year, I hope. So what I'm going to do is try and create some 5-10 minute videos about what I'm doing in the garage and how I'm doing it. For most of you that don't know, I am an IT guy, and I do something called Agile, which is a way of changing priorities and managing projects. And I'm going to try and do that with these short videos. I'm going to keep it down to about 5 minutes, I hope. So they're quick and bite-sized, which is actually very telling, because this is my elephant and I need to eat it. And so every time we take a bite and complete something, I need to acknowledge that it's done and break this stuff down into bite-sized pieces. So I'm just gonna, walk through this, show you the cart, and then I'm gonna walk through how I'm gonna kind of track the progress and track the work. Most of this will probably not be about the cart itself, but I will talk about it. This will mostly be about the project planning and how I'm tracking it. Alright, so here's the project. I may regret filming this in landscape, but we'll see how it goes. So I'm just going to write down some very top level things that I want to do. These will ultimately become something called epics, but for right now they're just stories, and each story is a unit of work. So the first thing I'm going to do is kind of lame here, but it actually will let me cross something off the list when I'm done today, and that is start. By doing that, I have created this video and sort of laying out my project. If we take a look at the cart, the cart has, in no particular order, an engine. Need to figure that out, take it apart, look at it, see what needs to be done, what kind of engines I need. There's a chassis. I got a chassis. Need to figure that out. What kind of things can I tune on it? What needs work? What's broken? There's a brakes. B-R-A-K-E-S, because I can't spell. There's wheels. And we'll just put tires in there as well. We'll figure that out. And what else we got there? And then from there we'll break those major things down and see where we go. So this is a perfect example of Agile. I'm walking around just kind of taking pictures and videos of the 4 things I just talked about, and I'm tripping over things and bumping into things and basically, struggling to get around inside the garage. So I'm just going to put another task on here to think about the garage. And that will probably be a epic that I'm just going to dump stuff in, because I will end up doing it every week. And so that epic won't necessarily be something I will ever finish, but it is something I kind of want to track and know that, yes, I'm doing this in the garage. So part of the task here is to, take care of the garage and figure out what works best and what doesn't work. Maybe find some ways to get some of the crap out of it. So here it is. This is the most important part of this session, and that is to cross off something I have done on the list. I have started. I've written some things down, and now I'm going to go edit this video, which is probably another task I should probably writing. But again, that'll be a garbage dump of the garage that I'll always be working on it, so I may not track it. We'll see.